Carbon monoxide and smoke detectors are required on each level of your home. Smoke detectors are also required in every bedroom and bedroom hallways within 10 feet of each bedroom. New homes have hardwired carbon monoxide and smoke detectors with battery backup. The batteries should be changed every 6 months. The alarm will chirp when the batteries are low and need to be replaced. These alarms are interconnected, so if you have smoke or carbon monoxide in any area of the home, the alarm will sound. To test the alarms, press and hold the test button. It will sound each of the alarms installed in the home. Be sure to keep carbon monoxide and smoke detectors clean and dust-free so they can work properly. If your carbon monoxide or smoke alarms malfunction and you cannot stop them from sounding, you can power off the circuit until you can get a professional to fix them. Carbon monoxide and smoke alarms are critical safety features. It's important that you get them fixed as soon as possible if they are malfunctioning.